Okay, HyperJava is a hosted solution, the software, just like PayPal or Google AdWords, but it's strictly limited to 2,000 accounts. So what that means is there are no scripts to install, and all updates happen automatically for all members at the same time. So you don't have to worry about learning PHP or anything like that. If you can operate a PayPal account, then you basically will know how to use our HyperJava software. Now, HyperJava software was developed for me, by my in-house programmer here in New York, as I watched over his shoulder for the past year. And again, the first 6 to 8 months of this development was HyperJava 1.0. This was a software developed just for me, and I had many marketers asking me, can I get access to this? This is absolutely brilliant. And I said, no, honestly, this is proprietary, and we're not looking to sell it. And after having so many people ask us for this, we decided to take HyperJava public, and we created some even more things in what is now known as HyperJava version 2.0. Okay. Now, HyperJava is not in beta. I developed this for me. Now, granted, the 2.0 version has some new features that we have been working really, really hard on in the last 90 days. And may there be a bug or something like that. Obviously, we're going to have a report bug link inside the members area. It would be for a minor section of the site. Everything that's currently working, that's making me $100,000 per month, is working, 100%. And we don't believe there to be any bugs. But as you know, there's software. There's always improvements and upgrades. So if you do see something, as we're saying, we're not in beta, but certainly let us know, and we'll usually get it fixed within 1 business days. All right, and as I said, I've been using it to make over $100,000 per month now for over a year. Okay, and you're not only going to have access to this software, but I'm also going to show you my exact flow chart of how I use this system. So don't worry about what happens once you get inside. Now, all you need to profit beyond your imagination with HyperJava is the following 2 things. Number 1, you need a product. You need to have a product to sell people. Now, HyperJava can do so many different things, and it could be used to promote affiliate products and rotate ads, and it's a split test software in itself. It's a link cloaker like PowerLink Generator. It can take payments for you. In fact, it can even be its own website. But to really get the maximum benefit out of the integration marketing that you're going to learn, you're really going to want to have a product. Now, if you didn't create a product, private label rights, where you see PLR and MMR there on the screen, means private label rights and master resale rights. Now, don't go doing this yet, but if you were to go to Google and type in PLR products for sale or PLR rights products or PLR products, you're going to find dozens of packages where you can get 50 PLR products, usually for like $97 or $47. All right, but don't even worry, because we're going to give you 50 niche products for free that come with their own thank you pages and downloads, so that you could get started literally today once you find your first JV partner. The second thing you need is you need to find a person that's already selling a product to your target market, and that's going to be so easy once I show you how to do that. All right, here's what you don't need to make Traffic Fusion work with HyperJava. You don't need to spend any money on pay-per-click. You don't need any affiliates. You don't need to have a website or learn how to build one. You don't need to learn search engine optimization or search engine marketing. You don't need a list, and you don't need a monthly budget. You see, once you find a partner that is doing this, they already are doing all these different things. They already have the customers, and you know what? They're going to be looking to make money with your ads, so they're going to be happy to just put a line of code on their website and start making extra money. All right? You see, HyperJava is real incredible. It's a very unique software, and there's honestly never been anything like it before on the market. And there's never been anything like it now in the world that that I've ever seen. So we had to develop this for ourselves. So here's what it is in a nutshell. Very hard for us to say in one word, but in a nutshell, HyperJava is an ad management software married with an affiliate software, a payment processor, a split test and analytics software, and a link tracker. Now, when you combine all those different things, you can do a lot of different things. Now, if you're worried about having to know authorize.net or anything like that, don't worry. HyperJava has its own built-in payment gateway using PayPal with its own affiliate management and tracking and testing system. So it's ready to go outside the gate. Now, some of you are going, wow, I've already got some pretty sophisticated things with Infusionsoft or anything like that. But don't worry, it seamlessly integrates with every and any other software in the world. And I'm talking about things like One Shopping Cart, AMember, ClickBank, MyOwnPay.com, Google Analytics, QuickPay Pro, iDev Affiliate, Butterfly Marketing, JV Manager, and of course Infusionsoft. So don't worry, it works with all of those different software programs. All right, I'm going to show you about 6 or 7 screenshots here, and we're going to go real quick because there is a demo video link on the site here. But basically the dashboard here will show you, as you can see here, I just made some ads and I call them test, excuse me. And you get to see the different ads you have going, and it tells you the prices and what, if you're using a third-party processor and things like that. It tells you all the different affiliates that you have. You get to see some quick stats, of your campaigns. You get to see all the different affiliates that are married to each particular campaign. You get to see your split test results.